When it comes to truly connecting with others, there's one key skill that stands out above all: listening. But not just any listening. We're talking about the deep, empathic, full attention kind of listening that makes people feel truly heard and understood. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 zodiac signs who are master listeners. These signs are not just good at hearing what others have to say, they have an incredible ability to tune into the emotions, thoughts, and intentions behind every word. So, if you're looking to connect on a deeper level with the people around you, these are the signs to watch. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 zodiac signs who are master listeners. These signs are not just good at hearing what others have to say, they have an incredible ability to tune into the emotions, thoughts, and intentions behind every word. So, if you're looking to connect on a deeper level with the people around you, these are the signs to watch. Number 1, Cancer. Cancer is ruled by the moon, which is all about emotions and intuition. This makes them incredibly attuned to the feelings of others. Cancer is the kind of person who will listen to you in a way that makes you feel safe and nurtured, offering a sense of understanding without judgment. Their emotional depth allows them to pick up on what's left unsaid, and they always know exactly what to say to make you feel seen. Number 2, Libra. As the sign of balance and relationships, Libras excel at listening because they're always seeking harmony. They can step back from a conversation and truly process both sides of an argument, making them the perfect mediator. They listen not just with their ears, but with their heart, offering a fair and understanding perspective that calms any tension. Number 3, Virgo. Virgos are known for their analytical minds, and this makes them exceptional listeners. They have an incredible ability to focus on the details, not just the words you're saying, but your body language, tone, and even your energy. This allows them to offer practical advice and support that truly helps, showing you they're not only listening, but they care enough to understand the full picture. Number 4, Pisces. Pisces is deeply empathic, often absorbing the emotions of those around them. When they listen, it's like they're stepping into your shoes and feeling everything you feel. They have an almost psychic ability to understand what's going on emotionally, and they make people feel like they've been heard in the most compassionate way. If you're struggling with something, talking to a Pisces can be an incredibly healing experience. Number 5, Scorpio. Scorpios are naturally intense and deeply perceptive, which makes them exceptional listeners. They're great at reading between the lines and tuning into your deeper emotions. Their listening skills are often paired with their ability to offer powerful insights, helping you get to the root of what's really going on inside. Scorpios give you their undivided attention, making you feel like you're the only person in the room when you talk to them. These signs are truly masters at listening, offering emotional depth, understanding, and support in ways that others can't quite match. Whether you're seeking advice, comfort, or just someone who really gets you, these signs are the ones you want in your corner. If you think these signs could be the ones you turn to when you need someone who listens, drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss out on more content about how astrology can help you understand yourself and others better. Thanks for watching.